Welcome to this complete step-by-step guide on how to use iContact for email marketing in 2025. Whether you're a small business owner, entrepreneur, marketer, or nonprofit organization, email marketing remains one of the most effective ways to connect with your audience, nurture leads, and drive conversions. In this tutorial, we'll take you through everything you need to know to set up, create, and manage your email campaigns successfully with iContact. So before we get started, first let's know what is iContact. iContact is a powerful, easy to use email marketing platform designed for businesses and professionals who want to engage their audience, automate campaigns, and measure success. Founded in 2003, iContact has helped thousands of businesses improve their email marketing strategy with intuitive tools, automation features, and in-depth analytics. Unlike other email marketing tools, iContact offers a simple yet robust platform that makes it easy for both beginners and advanced marketers to create professional looking emails without any coding knowledge. Whether you're running a newsletter, promotional campaign, or automated drip sequence, iContact helps you manage everything in one place. So now let's get started. So simply head over to iContact's official website, which is icontact.com. From here, you can get started or simply get started with a free trial for 30 days. So after signing up for an account, you will now be redirected to your dashboard that looks like this. So as you can see, this is how your dashboard will look like. This is how it looks like for your main page. So from here, of course, if you just set up your account, you will see this instructions and step-by-step getting started steps right here to leverage or make use out of your account. So as you can see, you'll just need to do all of this, such as adding contacts, creating an email, send an email, create a landing page with a form, create an automation. So you'll need to do all of that to get started or to get used to iContact. So I'm just going to walk you through its features. So as you can see, this is your dashboard. You will see your plan details right here. You'll see how many contacts you can add, how many emails you can send. This is your plan usage. And from here in your dashboard, you can always create new emails. You can build emails in minutes with templates or start from scratch. You can create social posts. You can create landing pages and create automations. And when you scroll down right here, you will see your activity. So you'll see your calendar right here. So it basically works as like a CRM also. So you have your own calendar right here. So if you have any upcoming events for this specific date, you can always see it in this activity table or section right here. We also have our report card right here. As you can see, we will see the open rate of our emails, the click to open rate, the hard bounce rates, complaint rate, and all of this reports for your sent emails right here. Next, we have our drafts. So if you have drafted a message or an email, you can always see it right here. You can also see if you have drafted any social posts or drafted any landing page. And of course, we can always edit our dashboard. We can reorder our widgets by clicking right here. As you can see, we can move those widgets just the way we like it. So next, let's just go to the next section, which is the report card. So from here, again, you can always see your report card in your dashboard. Next, we have the email. You can see right here, if you want to create an email, just click on create a new message. As you can see, we have templates right here. We have a bunch of different templates, so just wait for it to load. So if you don't want to use a template, you can always start from scratch by clicking right here in the top right. And as you can see, iContact has a bunch of different pre-made templates that you can use. So as you can see, this template is for a newsletter. This is for an announcement email. You can also select filters such as promotions, as you can see, reminders. So let's say we want to use this promotion email. Just select this one. And as you can see, it is a really basic, it has this really basic drag and drop editor. As you can see, you can always add new images right here. You can see you can drag and drop this content block. So let's say you want to add an image right here. You can see, and to add an image, just simply you can also duplicate it. To add an image, just click choose right here in the top right, or select the image URL. So just feel free to explore more about how you can edit your emails right here. So let's just go back. Next is our social posts. Of course, you can always create new posts right here. As you can see, just enter your post content here and add an image or video. Of course, you can always connect your social media accounts. Next, you can also create landing pages. Clicking right here, just create a new landing page. You can also create automations. Of course, this is all of the features of iContact. Always go to forms. So if you don't have any form or sign up forms, you can always create one. Next is contacts. So of course we need contacts. Of course, these contacts are those who we are going to send our content or emails or messages to. So from here, just simply upload your contacts file. So, or you can add your contacts one by one. So you can see we can create a contact right here. So just simply fill up this information, click on save. Next is we have our file library. So let's say you've uploaded a bunch of different photos, images, and articles for your emails. You can always upload it right here, and you will see it saved right here. So that's basically all it is for iContact's features. So just freely explore more about how it can help you with your business needs. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.